Hello and welcome to an introduction to aviation law in the UK. My name is Christopher Loxton. I'm a barrister specialising in aviation disputes. In this webinar, it's going to be split into 6 modules. The first module is going to be a general introduction, so looking at sources of aviation law, regulation and policy. In Module 2, we'll be looking at passenger disputes and focusing in particular on delays, cancellations, and denied boarding. In Module 3, we'll also be focusing on passenger disputes, but this time looking into personal injury, death, delay, and baggage claims. In Module 4, we're looking at the regulation concerning airports and the detention and recovery of aircraft. Module 5, we'll be looking at manufacturing, maintenance, and outfitting disputes, before finally in Module 6, considering leasing, financing, and the sale of aircraft. My name is Christopher Loxton. I'm a barrister specialising in aviation disputes, and you can see on this slide a variety of types of matters relating to aviation that I do.